How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. We'll start the lesson. I will do it. Hope you all are understanding. Submit your homeworks on time. Did you all of you give me your classworks for correction? Glossary of this lesson: overcome, to defeat or succeed in controlling or dealing with. I overcame the storm. Rain. I overcame the exam. Means to succeed in controlling something. I overcame the rain. Detour, a road or route that is used when the usual one is closed. Triodes tube, a triode is an electronic amplification tube having 3 active electrodes. This is a lesson that Abraham Lincoln, scientist and all, at the age of 40s they succeeded. That all I have given the explanation. This glossary is of that lesson. It is invented in 1906. The triode vacuum tube was the first electronic amplification device. This invention founded the electronic age, making possible amplified radio technology and long distance telephony. Okay, Lee De Forest means what? An American inventor with over 180 patents to his credit. Is it clear? Next, he invented the Audion, a vacuum tube that takes relatively weak electric signals and amplifies them. He is one of the father of electronic age. Is it fine? As an Audion helped to usher in the widespread use of electronics. He is also credited with one of the principal inventions that brought sound to motion pictures. Fraudulent means what, children? Intended to cheat someone, usually in order to make money illegally. Colonel Harlan David Sanders was an American businessman and restaurateur who founded the Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC chain restaurants. Beat up, damaged and old. Walt Disney, an American animator, film producer, director, screenwriter, voice actor, entrepreneur, entertainer, international icon and philanthropist, well known for his influence in the field of entertainment during the 20th century. He created some of the world's most well-known fictional characters, including Mickey Mouse. What is infest, children? To exist in large numbers in a particular place, often causing disease or damage, especially of insects or animals such as rats. Who is Henry Ford, an American industrialist, the founder of Ford Motor Company? The name Ford car is there, right? And sponsor of development of assembly line. Lee Iacocca, an American businessman known for engineering the Ford Mustang and Ford Pinto cars. He was a former chairman of Chrysler Corporation. He was one of the most famous business people in the world. He is the author or co-author of several books, including Iacocca. Ludwig van Beethoven, a German composer or pianist. He was a crucial figure in the transition between classical and romantic eras in Western art music. He remains one of the most famous and influential of all composers. His best known compositions include 9 symphonies, 5 concertos, 2 piano sonatas, and 16 string quartets. He also composed other chamber music chorals works. Napoleon Hill is the name of an American author in the area of New Thought movement who was one of the earliest producers of modern genre of personal success literature. Conceive, to form an idea, a plan, etc. in your mind, to imagine something. Socrates, a classical Greek Athenian philosopher credited as one of the founders of Western philosophy. He is an enigmatic figure known chiefly through the accounts of lateral classical writers, especially the writings of his students Plato and Xenophon, and places of his contemporary Aristophanes. Many would claim that Plato's dialogues are the most comprehensive accounts of Socrates to survive from antiquity. Socrates has become renowned for his contribution to the field of ethics. Dug, pushed somebody under water and held them there for a short time. Kinch, a thing that is certain to happen. Outclassed, overcame. The C part of this lesson, children, reading part, I will do it. He was short, he was sharp, the description of a man. He was the brightest boy in his class. His seniors used to ask him to solve his difficulties in science. Understood? He used to answer problems of seniors' questions. Okay. He could have gone unnoticed in a crowd. But once you asked him questions related to maths, physics, there was a spark in his eyes. He could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. He came from a poor but an educated family. This is very important. You must have interest to study. No matter what background you are from, rich or poor. Somewhere you'll become a good man, succeed in your studies if you have interest. His father was a high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature. He, like all the boys in his class, was trying to get admission into some engineering college. The brighter ones used to study in Indian Institutes of Technology or the IITs. There was an entrance test for IIT. This boy, along with his friends, applied to appear for the test. They did not have any special books or coachings. He was very smart and clever in studies. He had no coaching, no special books, but he was intelligent enough. From childhood itself, he used to reply, understand or solve elders' questions, elders' children's. All these IIT aspirants would sit below the shade of stone mandap close to Chamundi. There was a place, hills, in the sleepy town of Mysore. He was a guide for the others, the smart boy. While the others struggled to solve the problems in the question paper, he would smile shyly and solve them in no time. He sat alone below a tree and dreamt of studying at IIT. He was so curious to studies, interested in studies. It was the ultimate aim for any bright boy at that age, as it still is today. He was then only 16 years old. He is so much keen to study IIT. He is hardly 16, but his goals are clear and he is clever enough, smart enough to solve it also. The D-Day, means an important day, came. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives and appeared for the entrance test. He did very well but could only say okay when asked. So simple, that voice. It was the opposite when it came to food. He said okay, it implied bad. Understood? He would never insult anyone or make them embarrassed or tell them something bad. And when he said good, it implied okay. When he said excellent, it implied good. He would keep heart of others, isn't it? If it is very bad, we say no, it is not good, it is bad. But he would say it is okay. His principle was never to hurt anyone. That's what, feelings are very important, isn't it? The IIT entrance results came. He had passed with a high rank. Lucky fellow, good boy, isn't it? He used to study well, answer all, help friends in studies. He got a good rank. What a delight for any student. He was thrilled. He went to his father, who was reading a newspaper. We got run here and there, isn't it? When our results come, and that too topper good results. Anna, I have passed. He went and told to one single in the home and served so many people would eat. Got it? Understood the lesson? We'll stop the lesson here and see the homework for today. We'll continue the lesson in the next class. First one, to Lincoln, defeat was a detour and not a dead end. We finished this lesson last week. We just saw the glossary. Justify this statement from the life of Lincoln. What did Socrates suggest as a secret to success? Do you agree or disagree with him? Okay, children, give reason for your answer. All the best. Give me the homeworks by 5 to 8 in the evening. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.